Internet marketing introduction. These are the topic which we are going to cover in this video. The original www commercial beginnings .com world marketing and technology, our approach in the book. The original www. In 1922, radio suddenly transition from a technology used primarily by the military and the shipping industry to a consumer and business phenomena. At the end of 1921, there are five radio stations. At a year later, there are 575 starting radio stations in the height of entrepreneurship. The original Triple W. Radio impacts on 1920s society. It changes the way people think about distance and time. Simultaneously, no longer require proximity. Global events are experienced as they happen. The original Triple W. The internet changed the way companies connect to their customers. It expands the opportunities for branding, innovation, pricing, and selling. It leads to a new way of thinking about time and distance. Web cycle. It is a business system with positive feedback. Each element in the business system feed off another element in the system and feeds into yet another element in the system. If the cycle is strong enough, it can actually be self-fulfilling expectation. Hmm. Victorious cycle for next growth. Let's look at how it works. It starts with user fascination. Providers see the developing opportunity and rush to create new brands and services, which creates more hype. The buzz feed back into consumer interest and desire to experiment with the new technology. A dot-com world. Victorious web cycle lead to rapid growth of consumer access, internet usage, content online, consumer access. The past 5 years have been rapid growth in network size, users on network activity. Between January 1994 and January 1999, internet hosts grew from 2.2 million to over 43 million, a 46% growth rate in 1998. Consumer access. The internet base has grown rapidly as well. Worldwide, the number of users was estimated to be 160 million in March 1999. Over 90% of the users on the net have joined in the last 5 years. More growth is possible as less than 5% of the world adult population in online is online. 50% of users think the net is necessity. How many onlines? The art of estimating the number of people online throughout the world is inexact. An educated guess as of May 1999 is 165 million. Consumer access. Spring 1998, the size of web and estimated at 300 million pages. Growth rate is content exceed growth rate in web access and the number of users. From June 1997 to March 1998, web content grew at 120%. More importantly, the types and creativity of website content have blo- uh, blossomed. Basically, there are rapid growth in web content. Innovative applications. Stage 1, Stage 2, and Stage 3. Basically, Stage 1 is publishing sites, Stage 2 is database and forms. Stage 3 is personalization. Let's move further. Stage 1, publishing sites. Info links, there are on the left side you can see info links, info and competition, and on the right side you can see pictures and information. Stage 1, basically what make the this a stage 1 website. Broadcast disseminates informations. Database and form. To find out the travel distance between the host cities, select your starting point, select your destination, and then you can find out the travel distance between the host cities. Stage 2. What makes this stage 2 website? Ability to retrieve information to respond to user requests. Stage 3 personalization. Uh, if you if you area teamed World Cup 98 member and are using a computer other than the one you originally joined World Cup 98, enter your nickname and password now. Stage 3. What makes with a stage 3 website? More than ask, respond, and anticipate, suggest. Consumer to consumer commerce. Business deploy room technology enable consumer to interact directly with each other, accelerate word of mouth, facilitate consumer to consumer commerce. For example, eBay, Yahoo, auctions, etc. If you want this slide, then comment below the video. I will provide you the link of this lecture. Then you can download from there. Let's move further. Consumer to consumer commerce. Consumer to consumer sites must build trust system that rate seller credibility, verify identifies of buyers and sellers, insurance against fraud, escrow accounts to ensure products are shipped, ban on seller who bid on their own product. Basically, this is a scam like structure. Bans on buyer who win but do not complete the sale. Successful auction site blur the distinction between business and fun. Business to business commerce. Slide number 2. Volume much larger than retailing and more rapidly growing. Intra and extranet provides a seamless link between business and their suppliers. Companies create in-depth websites for their main customers, especially pricing, special configuration, and dedicated support. This builds loyalty and repeat purchases. Marketing evolves as technology changes. Technological innovations brought about the factory system and enables mass production. Marketing emphasis was on logistics and supply chain management. Radio enabled national rollout of brands. Marketing emphasis was on selling. Television coincided with the product and brand management system of marketing. Many mainframe computer enable new method of segmentation and customer management. The internet enable mass customization and internet framework. The web is fundamentally about individual using a network to access digital product. This is the basically this slide cover the whole lecture, marketing, technology, e-commerce, and the main center point is internet marketing. Hope you understand the video and like.